Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Subhati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So we are learning the chapter 7, that is soil. So in the previous video we have learned about the layers of soil and what is soil and how it is formed. Okay, so in the previous we have done till here. Now today we have to learn the types of soil. Okay, today we will learn the types of soil. So basically there are three types of soil, that is first is sandy soil, second is loamy soil, and third is clay soil. Okay, so there are three types of soil. So now we will learn each type of soil one by one. Now first we have that is sandy soil. Okay, sandy soil. What is sandy soil? As with the name we can understand, it is related to sand. So sandy soil contains 60% of sand and some clay. Okay, sandy soil contains 60% of sand and some clay, and it is so porous. Porous means where it allow air and water to flow through, or allow them to flow through very slowly. Okay, and so that's why it is porous. So the water holding capacity is very poor. Okay, the holding capacity is very poor. So that's why the amount of air present in the soil is maximum, because it is not capable to hold the water for the long time. So the amount of air present in the soil is very much, and this soil is not suitable for the growth of the plant, because it doesn't hold the water. And for the plant growth, water is very compulsory and water is necessary. So that's why sandy soil is not suitable for the plants. And but watermelon and coconut tree can grow in the sandy soil, as on the beach sides we can see the coconut tree and the watermelon. So watermelon and the coconut tree grow in the sandy soil, because these plants needs very less water to grow. Okay, so watermelon and coconut plant can grow in the sandy soil, and it has very less capacity to hold the water, and it is not that much suitable for the plant growth. Now next we have loamy soil. Okay, loamy soil, it is a mixture of clay and sand. Okay, it is a mixture of clay and sand, but this soil contains humus. Okay, as in the life class I have explained about the humus. In the previous video also I have explained about the humus. Humus is decaying dead plants or animals. Okay, humus is very good for the soil. So this soil contains humus, and the water holding capacity is medium, means it can easily hold the water, and this is enough for the plant growth, as it has the humus which make the soil fertile, and it can hold the water. So it is suitable to the plant growth, and also it also contains sufficient air for the roots to breathe. Okay, this type of soil contains sufficient air to for the roots to breathe, and so we can say that loamy soil is good for the plant. So in this way we can say loamy soil is good for the plant, because it can easily hold the water, and which is very compulsory for the plant growth. Also it contains humus. Humus makes the soil more fertile. Now next type of soil we have, that is clay soil. Okay, clay soil. Uh, it consists very fine particles of clay. Okay, it consists very fine particles of clay, and the water holding capacity is very high. The water holding capacity is very high, and wet clay is very sticky. It contains very little air, as it has the, see, the clay which has low water holding capacity, that means it can the amount of air present in that soil is maximum, but in the clay soil the water holding capacity is high, so the air uh, uh, capacity, or we can say the amount of air present in this soil, is very less, and the roots of the plant do not get enough air and space, because and so it's good only for the rice. Okay, clay soil is only good for the rice, not for the other plant. And the clay that we can get from the soil is used to make earthen vessels and bricks. Okay, means clay soil is good for the rice, and also it is used for the making some earthen vessels and bricks, because it, as it has very high water holding capacity, so it has very less air, which is not good enough for the plant's roots. Okay, so in three types of soil, if we will talk about first sandy soil, which is not good for the plant growth, but the watermelon and coconut can grow in this soil. Next, we have loamy soil. It is very good for the plant growth. Okay, it is very good for the plants. Now, third, we have clay soil. The water holding capacity is very high, and it is also not good for the plant growth, but rice can grow in this type of soil. And this clay soil is basically used for making the earthen vessels and bricks. Okay, so today we have to learn only three types of soil, that is sandy soil, loamy soil, and clay soil. Now, next video we will learn more about this the soil. So understand each and every types of soil, and also read the chapter from the book. Okay, so till thank you, we will meet again in the next video or in the live class.